Hey guys, happy Friday and happy New Year. As we are rolling into the new year, we are coming in with some new rates. The feds came out yesterday and kind of said what we had anticipated for a little while now, that they are definitely going to raise the rates this year.
Everyone was talking about it.
Yeah, we've been seeing it or talking about it for a little while and actually been seeing it slowly creep up. So we put out a slide last quarter actually talking about how rates affect both buyers and sellers, and we just kind of want to talk about that and what that looks like in your monthly payment.
So a few months ago when we had put this out, a $350,000 house with the rates at that time, your monthly payment would be around $1,400. And then with the higher interest rates, we were saying if the market crashes, which it didn't.
It did not.
And we don't
No.
think it will.
No.
A lower priced house at $300,000 with a higher interest rate, then your monthly payment would be about $1,500. So it's a pretty big difference.
Yeah, it is. I mean, you're looking at on a less expensive house with a higher interest rate, you're looking at $150 difference in that price point. That obviously is the higher the house, the bigger difference in your monthly payment, and so that's a pretty big deal. And as Morgan said, that was with our calculations of us anticipating and not really anticipating, just kind of placating to people saying that the housing market was going to crash, which it's proven that it's not going to. And so we want to look and talk to you guys now about current rates and the anticipated rates of interest rates going up. Yeah, and so let's look at kind of what that looks like.
So on the exact same house, the interest rate currently, like right now, as of today, your monthly payment would be about $1,500.
Yeah.
And when rates rise, which the feds just came out and said they're going to, your interest rate is going to be higher. So your monthly payment is also going to be higher with the house listed at the exact same price. So the difference between your monthly payment is going to be about $250, which is going to knock some people out and not be able to afford the house anymore.
Yeah. And so if we look at that, not only on the buy side, so not only now can you not afford the home that you wanted, let's talk about that on the seller side, right? So if you're thinking of listing your home and you wait and interest rates go up, so now my pool of buyers that could afford my home, what does that do to it?
They're going to be a lot lower.
It shrinks
a lot
it.
Less people.
Yeah, a lot less
Smaller.
people. Yeah, so I mean that's a big deal, not only on the buy side but on the sell side also, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so definitely something to think about.
Yeah, and we always are saying it's a good time to buy, but
Right.
And I bought in July.
Right.
So what's
Yeah.
the difference between now and July?
Yes, that's a good point. We are always, when we talk about doing our videos, we always talk about now's a good time to buy, now's a good time to buy, as I'm sure every real estate agent does. Honestly, July was probably a better time to buy than now. So Morgan became a first-time home buyer in July, which was awesome. Yeah, congratulations. July was better than now. Rates were lower. And Morgan, if we did a home analysis on your house, you're probably sitting on some pretty good equity. Difference is I can't turn the time back.
Right.
So is July better time to buy than now? Probably.
Probably sooner rather than later.
Yeah, but now's a better time to buy than this July, right? So, rates were lower in July. You're sitting on equity. You could be renting, but you're not. You're a homeowner. You have equity. So, you hear realtors saying all the time, buy now, sell now. It's you can't go back in time. You can't live in regret, right? So, if you have questions about how interest rates could affect you and affect the market, we'd love to help you. We have a lender we can put you in touch with that can run payment for you. We'd love to help you out. So
For sure.
Yeah.
Just let us know.
give us a call. Thanks, guys.